look at the road. Keep looking at the road. इस तरीके से हवा चलेगी ना. It's like, see. So what happened here? GoPro hang हो गया. When say money can't buy happiness, money can buy you bike. Hello people, welcome to Mototonic. So this was the day when the cyclone hit Mumbai. But I thought I'll go out, cyclone देखूंगा किस तरीके से जा रहा है, कैसी कंडीशन है सिटी की. You can see the showers, how they are like coming down. So I decided I'll go out, I'll see. I know it's not safe, and most people would say you should not go out in the cyclone, but I wanted to do some kind of adventure, and I wanted to feel the rain and everything. And yeah, I took a risk. So yeah, that's how it was. And then we started the ride. The rain was super cold. It was super cold. I did not wear a raincoat because I really wanted to enjoy the slush and the water and everything. So this is fun. This is completely fun. मतलब literally बीच करके थोड़ी तो पकती है, no doubt in that. बट जो मज़ा आता है इसका इसी टाइम पे गाड़ी चलाने का इसी बारिश में, it's like outstanding. It was scary and it was amazing. The cyclone was literally so powerful. Going out was worth it. A little risky, but I was in the set of mind I want to experience this particular. And you can see I was not the only person on road. I'm not saying that everybody should have been out. Of course, I don't support that, but I just wanted to be out. Look at this water. I actually decided I'll go towards north because cyclone आ साउथ से रहा था एंड आई मैं गोरेगांव गया था तो वहाँ पे कम हो गया था इफेक्ट, तो वहाँ से इफेक्ट कम हुआ एंड मुझे लगा कि बिकॉज इट इज़ गोइंग टूवर्ड्स गुजरात साइड आई शुड गो टूवर्ड्स द ईस्ट एंड वसई side so I could actually enjoy more of it and I wanted to cover as much as possible the cyclone, the visuals, the rains. I really wanted to see more of it. Open roads, rains, and riding like this, man, pure bliss. अलग ही फील आता है इस चीज़ का. वैसे money can't buy happiness. Money can buy you bike. So what happened here? GoPro हैंग हो गया एंड कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था मुझे कैसे क्या करना है बिकॉज ख़तरनाक बारिश हो रही थी एंड एक फ्यूल पम्प मिला, वहाँ में गया, अंदर हाथ पोछे, GoPro का बैटरी निकाला, वापस डाला, नॉर्मल हुआ. इट हैपन समटाइम्स. देन आई वाज बैक एंड यहाँ पे एक्सट्रीम रेन्स हो रही थी, यू कैन सी. जितना ब्रूटल और एक्सट्रीम रेंज यहाँ हो रहा था उतना पीछे कहीं नहीं हो रहा. दिस वॉज लाइक द एक्सट्रीम थ्रू आउट माई जर्नी, थ्रू आउट माई ट्रैवल. यहाँ पे जिस तरीके से बारिश हो रही थी इट वॉज लिटरली स्कैरी एज हेल. यू सी ऑन द रोड हवा चल रही है एंड इट्स लाइक वेव्स आर फॉर्मिंग ऑन द रोड. इतना पानी जमा, द वेव्स आर फॉर्मिंग. This is Vasai Bridge and it crosses the creek which is actually the sea, but it's a creek. Because on the bridge it was completely open from both of the sides and जिस तरीके से wind का power आ रहा था, बारिश जो पड़ रही थी, this was the entire bridge was the best feeling. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू एक्सपीरियंस दिस ब्रिज. अभी इसके आगे जाता तो गुजरात चले जाता मैं. सो आई टुक अ यू टर्न. look at the road. Keep looking at the road. इस तरीके से हवा चलेगी ना. It's like, see, you see that. See a hoarding. Gliding through the water, man. Good ride. I love it. Just glides through water. Look, easy peasy. यहाँ पे पानी ऐसा कांटे जैसा पड़ रहा था. When I reached home, मेरा नेक पूरा रेड हो गया था. Because continuously पानी पड़ता है ना, when you are on high speed, the winds are high. और तब जो बारिश का पानी पड़ता है ना, इट्स लिटरली लाइक कांटे, हॉर्न्स.
Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made. To see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
अभी इधर थोड़ी बारिश कम हो गई थी, but after 20-30 minutes it started raining brutally back again in Kandivali. As I told you, 8 inches of rainfall in a single day in a portion of Mumbai. So that's the home. Every once in a while you should rev that engine up and enjoy the sound. So a little story time. Follow me on Instagram if you still haven't. It's Christ_heart_. You'll find all these kind of updates because motovlogs मैं बाद में डालता हूँ, but daily updates I put it over there. And off we go. I was drenched, water completely. It was a good decision to not wear raincoat because मैं घूमने और मज़े करने गया था बाहर. So thanks for watching. Hope you have enjoyed the shots and this random motor vlog of covering the cyclone. See you in the next video. Let me take some more photographs. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.